Now, on this base, we will check some question. For example, 1. Area 1 is equal to 100. Area 2 is equal to 64. So find S1, S2. Simple, I am giving an example. So area 1 by area 2 is equal to side 1 by side 2 square. So this is given 100, this is given 64, side 1, side 2 square. Now this is 10 by 8 total square, side 1, side 2 total square. Taking square root on both the side. So S1 by S2 is equal to 10 by 8. Make it half up. So it is 5 by 4. Reversible. Suppose S1, S2, it is 3 and 7. Find out A1 by A2. Two areas are given. Find out. I say don't send the message. Now S1, S2 are given 3 by 7. So 3 3s are 9, 7 7 49. So area 1 by area 2. Now no further simplification we can do. Now S1 is equal to 4, S2 is equal to 6, A1 is equal to 12, find out A2. Why students are sending message when within 1 minute I am telling don't send message, don't send message, don't send message. If you don't want to study, just leave it. You are a school student in a school lecture. What you are writing, I will take strict action on you. So area 1, 12, area 2, for example, A2, just write A2, don't write X. 4, 6 square, 12, A2, 4 for the 16, 6 6 the 36. Don't show your ability here, because the things which we have not taught, that in that no you are master. But what we are trying to teach, in that you are zero. So don't show. Four threes are 4, 4s are 4, 9s are 27. When two areas are given, ratio of two sides. When two sides are given, ratio of two area. When two sides given, one area given, find out another area. Now fourth example will be, you have to find out the side. Side 1 question. side 2 5, area 1 64, area 2 225, for example. Now we have to find area 1, area 2 is equal to side 1, side 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have started with the same formula. The same formula I am using in different 4 way. So that is 64, 225, S1. So 64, 225, S1 square, 5 5 is 25. Now cross product. This into this, divide by this. 25 9s are correct. So S1 square is equal to 8 8s are 3 3s are. Take square root. So S1 is equal to 8 by 3. 2.6666 also you can write. Now it is clear. Today some network issue is also there. Okay. So here theory part with this example. Today I have completed that this formula. When two triangles are similar and ratio of area is equal to the ratio of square of the side, that I have used different 4 times, and angle bisector we have discussed, BPT we have discussed. When triangles are not similar and how to find out the ratio of area, that also we have discussed. So in 2 lectures, close the mind, in 2 lectures, chapter number 1 full theory part is over. Now I'll start with the examples. Point 1. From starting only, you are giving lots of trouble. Last year I have taken all 250 students together, but they have never given me this level of trouble. Lots of work we have to do, and like that you will do, no? Okay, the base of a triangle is 9, height is 5, another triangle is 10 and 6. Base 1, height 1, area 1. Base 2, height 2, area 2. Base of a triangle is 9. Height is 5, sorry. And this is 10 and 6. Find the ratio of area of 2 triangle. We don't want this. We want area 1 divided by area 2. This is 1.1. This is first alternate. We will do half into height 1, base 1. Half into height 2, base 2. Half of cut 0.29. 5 twos are 3 twos are 3 threes are, so it is 3 by 4. Whose mic is on, beta? Remove. In this triangle RQ, this much is 6. PS height is 6. PR, this much is 12. Find a QT. QT is X. How many times I speak that don't share, don't open the mic and don't send the message. I don't want to see any message. To the class teacher and to the principal, this all message I'll send. Screen I have recorded. Now area of triangle PQR, half into height means PS into base. Area of triangle PQR again. I have taken base and height. Now I am taking base and height. In a two different way. Base into height. Base into height. Both are area of same PQR. That's why half cancel. So PS into RQ, PR into TQ. PS is given 16. Sorry, it is 6. RQ, it is also given 6. PR 12. So 6 into 6 into 12. 6 2s are 2, 3s are. So it is 3. This is very interesting diagram and one mark question answer. You are not spoiling your name, you are spoiling your parents' name, you are spoiling your school name, you are spoiling your teacher's name. And you are not a primary student that after each and every minute I have to tell, because lots of things here I have to manage. I have to concentrate on teaching also, and this faltu message also I have to read or what. Have some manners at least. what you are writing, where you are writing. I said no, which we have not taught, in that you are masters. But what I am teaching, in that you are zero. One mark question. 4 ratios only you have to write. PQB, PBC, PBC, ABC, ABC, ADC, ADC, PQC. PB, PQB, PQB, PBC. See, in these two red triangle, height is same. Height is same. So we will write only the base ratio. So base of this means P is the height. So remove P. So QB, BC. Now PBC. PBC this and ABC this and this. Base equal. Now base equal. So ratio of height. So for that we will remove BB because BC. So from P, here from P to Q, here from A to D. Why? Because bases are equal. Third, ABC, full triangle ABC and ADC. ABC, AD height is equal. In ABC height is equal, so write only BC. In ADC height is equal, write DC. Here, what you have taken? Height equal, no? H1 is equal to H2. Here, base equal. Here again height equal. Now ADC. This ADC, PQC. Nothing is equal, nothing is common. So I write half into height for this, that is AD, height for this triangle. Now I write half height this cancel. So AD divided by PQ, DC divided by. So when nothing is equal, nothing is common, height into base divided by height into base. When height is equal, you have to write base 1 by base 2. When base are equal, height 1 by height 2. This is, mark this problem as a very important question, because for all you have to write answer reason, answer half of mark. In maths and science, all 60 marks paper full of with half of marks. All are with half marks. Each 1 mark is divided into 2 parts with reason and answer. In science also with reason. Why I am telling 60 marks? Because overall paper with option they will ask 60 marks. You have to attain 40 marks. Is it clear now? Whatever the exercise or whatever the sums we are completing, no, same to same in your workbook you have to write, because every day madam is also sending me the message regarding this, so you have to be very careful. Now related to angle bisector and BPT, basic proportionality theorem. See, from my side I am trying my best of best to improve every day to serve you better, but from your side you are just giving trouble, that's it. Think twice before what you are saying, what you are sending. These all are on the base of angle bisector. PQR, M, PQR, M. PQR, M. 3.5, 1.5, 7, 3, 7, 10, 6, 8, 4, 3.6. Everything is given. You have to prove it is angle bisector or not. I thought that is a question. We have to prove it is a bisector or not. So one mic is open, beta. In triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, PQPR, 7/3. One mic is open, left by right, first, second, again left by right. QM, MR, 3.5, 1.5, that is 35/15. 5 7s are 5 3s are, so these and these are equal. Therefore PQ by PR is equal to QM by MR. Therefore PM is angle bisector of angle P. If one ratio is equal to second ratio, it is bisected. Now up and down, PR, PQ, 7 by 10, this is first. Second, RM, MQ, 6 by 8, half. Not equal. PR, PQ, not equal. RM, MQ. Therefore, this is not angle bisector of up and down, PQ, PR, 9 by 10, up and down, QN. If you have taken up and down, again you take up and down. If you have taken down and up, again you have to take down and up. Then only you can compare two ratio. Up and down, 3.6. So 36 divided by 40. Decimal goes down. So with 4 it is 9, it is 10. So it is equal. First equal to second. Therefore PM, PQ, PR. Therefore angle ray PM is angle bisector of angle P. So whatever I finish every day, know that you have to write in workbook, do daily practice, and forget about this